shit real. I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where we do things the right way, which is the DaBraeWay, and I'm Bray. And by this package, you already know what's going on, so don't even ask. Another Amazon wig review. Back to back. Okay. So this wig is the Caitlyn chocolate brown straight 13x4 150% density 18-inch hair. Whew, that was what I said. This is, hold on, let me zoom in. This is it right here. Yup, chocolate brown, very melanated. Yeah. So let's go ahead and open it and see what it talks about. Yeah, I'll be having so much trouble opening it. Oh, never mind. There it goes. See, Caitlyn hair. This box is real cute. It's definitely giving. Look at the box. Look at it. It's cute. Now how I get in here. Oh. Yeah, I'll be having such a hard time. Oh. Okay. Y'all. Not it come with a brush too. Not it come with a brush. And it say Caitlyn, okay? Not a brush. Got a little brush. And what else in here? Oh, we kept. And it's a thank you card. Yep. Okay. The packaging is on point. Okay. The brush though. Okay. I see you, Caitlyn. Let's see. Okay, so we got a battery smell. I'm gonna wash that out. Put it in there. And oh, okay. She giving body yada yada. Okay, so it's already soft. It's real soft. Let's see how many combs here. 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. And the knots are like really little. Like I can't even see them holding it up like this. That's always a plus. Yeah, other than that smell, it's great. Look at the shake. Y'all, this is some good hair. First of all, the packaging with the brush, A+. The hair, A+. The lace and the knots, A+. Yeah, the link in the description. Y'all better go. And they handing out free brushes. I can't believe that. I ain't never. Hold on, let me open my brush. Y'all. Ooh. Let me stop. Yeah, I ain't never got no brush before. A whole brush. Ooh. 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 Okay. But y'all already know what I'm about to do. I'm gonna go bleach the knots and everything, pluck and everything, and then I'm gonna come back with the wig on. But I don't know. It's gonna be a banger because this wig is definitely giving. So make sure you stay tuned. One thing I'm really safe about cap, okay?
it's overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that heat of love. I wanna ride all night.
work it in the middle.
I wanna
Work it in the middle. Work it in the middle. Ooh, baby,
Do you remember that one night when we fell in love and what we had felt so right? Cause we had trust, now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what's you, what we've been through, I miss you. I wake from my slumber, I wish I could call you up, miss how you'd put your love on me.
boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
You never know when to chill, always talk about keep it real, only till you've had your fill, then you wanna cry ill will, really thought you know the deal. Oh well, I guess that's what happens, two fools be falling in love, mixing some pain and some passion, nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll fall love again, yeah, yeah. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You don't even say what's up. Round your bush, you act so tough, like you never been in love. If you don't quit acting up, alone this way you're going enough. I promise. You may think that I'm crazy. You should ask around about me. Put your trust in me, baby. Yeah.
I wake from my slumber, I wish I could call you up, miss how you'd put your love on me.
Hey, boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
Hold on until the end, hold on till you can't extend. I'll be clinging on to you, I'll be clinging on to you.
And then begin again, orbiting around and then circle back around to you. Coming back around to you. I'm coming back around.
Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity, going through the motions, you're turning me eternally.
Drifting on my own again, reaching out to hold your hand. I wanna be alone with you. Can I be alone? Can I be alone with you? If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Love again.
Then drop them drawers. I know what you are.
I ask myself, is this shit real? I can't contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it's strange, they take your place, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
Shooting star, I see a vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds in the sky. Find you that way, babe. Come one right away, oh right away. At first sight, I felt energy at sunrise. I saw the life inside.
One eternity later.
Okay, y'all, so this is the final look, and you already know it's giving scalp, and it's definitely giving. Again, this is the Caitlyn chocolate brown 13 by 4 18-inch 150% density wig, and it's what giving, what giving, what giving, what giving, what giving. Okay, so the knots were small, miniature. Yeah, they were small. It was easy to plug because it comes pre-plugged. Bleaching the knots, no problem. Didn't have to sit long at all. I washed the smell out. Y'all see I'm using my brush. I washed the smell out, and this hair is still soft. It doesn't shed that much at all, like at all. I actually like this hair. It's real close to my skin tone, but that don't matter. It's still cute. It's still giving. The lace wasn't too thick. Usually, like when I get Amazon wigs, they might have a little thick lace, but this one was pretty thin. It was pretty easy to cut and glue down. As you can see, it's giving scalp. Giving scalp. Giving scalp. But yeah, I honestly think I'm getting better at doing wigs too, cause like, look, just look, just look. I'm getting better. Your girl getting better. But I can honestly say this is a nice little summer wig. The only thing I wish it was longer. So I might order this hair longer, like 30 inches. I think 30 inches would give. But you already know the link for this wig in the description. Go look at it. Go buy it. I'll be like, go buy the wig. Y'all probably like, girl, we cannot buy all these wigs. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But you should definitely go look at it. Add it to your wish list or something. Make somebody else buy it. It's giving. Y'all, I can honestly say I like this wig. I thought I was gonna like the color because it was too close to my skin tone, but it's eating down. But make sure y'all go look at it. Go look at it. You might like it too. Now on Amazon, it do look a little funny. I don't think they got the right product pictures. It look a little iffy, but it's honestly worth it. Ooh, I had a brush of that out just now, but it's honestly worth it. So just go look at it. Actually, go look at it right now. I'm waiting. Go look at it. I'm waiting. I'll be back when you get back. Go ahead. All right, now that y'all done look at it and added it to your wish list, yeah, it's worth it. But not for real. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video because you already know it's another one coming. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thought I was done? No. Like, comment, and subscribe. Now I'm done.